One of my top tips if you're making salads is to ditch your salad bowl and instead start putting things on a platter. And doing that means you can layer up all the different things so that then everybody gets all the good bits, and it also means you can season everything really evenly. When you're building a salad, you want to think not just about what it tastes like, but what textures, what temperatures are in there, as well as what flavours, because that's what's going to make everything delicious. So I think this just looks so much more modern than a salad bowl as well. If you imagine having this at a party with some really nice bread, it just looks a lot more inviting. And finish off with some acidity. So I'm going to use some vinegar, and the acidity just lifts everything up.